What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is episode 3 here with the bass boat. Today we're going to be ripping out the carpet in the lower area. So it's going to be this carpet down here. Just kind of that weird shape. Basically, one's there, but then there's a mystery one right here. No idea what it is, no idea why it's there. I'm assuming that the bottom here is fiberglass. So I don't know. I don't know if the fiberglass broke and the previous owner just decided to put carpet on top of it. I'm not sure, but yeah, we got to adjust that. So I'm basically going to take out all this old carpet and we'll see what's going on here. We will either cut out, I got some new Eva like deck foam. It's super nice stuff. But we'll either just cut it out and leave a hole there and then come back later and put a vent there. Or we might have to do some rot repair. So we'll see what's going on if it's not fiberglass. If it's fiberglass, yeah, we'll just go from there. But yeah, that's where we are on the boat. Haven't been here in a long time. It's already October 28th. So yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, we're gonna get to work on this. It's gonna be really gross, but we'll get this carpet out and then we'll be back. Let the liquid nails set, and after that, for a little while, we're going to apply some silicone to all the edges and let that sit so that any water that does go through here will not seep down through the edges and will go through this drainage vent. Came out pretty well. Definitely wish it was less rotten because some of the screws didn't go in all the way, but not too shabby. Let's see what happens.